Hello, my students. Welcome to lesson number 15. This is the second lesson about jobs and careers. Last lesson, we asked, what do you do for work? And we answer, what do we do and why we love it or like it? Today, we will learn to describe our job. What do we do in our job? We will learn to ask about someone's job, and I will learn to describe others' job. So this week, we have these new words. Some of them are the things that we do in our jobs. Like we help others. We teach, a teacher teaches, teach. Program computers. In this case, since it's a verb and action, it is program computers. We sell. We can serve. Okay. Serve too. We cut. My hair just was cut. A hairstylist cut the hair. And we clean. Okay, we can clean in a job. So repeat each word once, 2, 3, or 5 times if it's possible.
Help.
Help.
Help. Serve.
Serve.
Teach.
Teach.
Teach. Teach.
Cut.
Cut.
Sell.
Sell.
We sell furniture. We sell clothes. We sell, my dad sold tamales. Clean. Clean the house. Clean the office. Clean. Clean. Just clean. Program. Okay.
Program computers.
Program computers. Program computers. So they can work with Windows. Customer. A customer. What is a customer?
Customer.
It's a person that buys things from us. My customers are the people that buy my cakes. I make cakes. Happy birthday cakes, quinceañera cakes. So my customers, they pay me, so I make their cakes. Those are customers. Okay, food. We have student. We have computer. Many words.
Food.
Food. Student.
Computer.
Okay. And we also have hair. Hair. Product.
Building.
Building. Okay. I work on building in the blue building, in the tallest building of the city, in the tallest, el más alto building, edificio of the city. How many times do you work? 8 hours a day? So that is full time. Tiempo completo, son 8 horas, ¿verdad?
Full time.
Full time. I don't work full time, just half. No trabajo a tiempo completo, solamente la mitad. Eso se dice
part-time.
Part-time. Trabajo un part-time. Medio tiempo. Self-employed.
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 I don't have a boss. No tengo un jefe. I am self-employed. Yo trabajo para mí mismo. O sea, soy autoempleada. Yo hago mi trabajo, ¿no? Como un vendedor, a veces son autoempleados, ¿no?
Interesting.
Oh, that's interesting. Eso es muy interesante.
Interesting.
Oh,
Fun.
es muy
Fun.
I think being a dance teacher is very fun. Yo pienso que ser una maestra de danza debe ser muy divertido. Fun.
Difficult.
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 Difficult. For doctors, sometimes it's difficult to give a diagnosis. Pienso que a veces pienso que para los doctores, sometimes, algunas veces, it's difficult. Es difícil dar un diagnóstico certero, ¿no? A diagnosis, okay. And boring. What is a job that is boring?
Boring. Boring.
Aburrido. No puedo pensar ahorita en un trabajo que sea aburrido. Todos los trabajos que he tenido han sido interesantes. Inclusive limpiar. Okay, now you have to memorize those words. Recuerden de memorizarse las palabras que acabamos de revisar. Y estas que se usan mucho. Full time, acuérdense, my job is full time. Mi trabajo es tiempo completo, full time. I'm a self-employed. Soy autoempleado, o sea, yo soy mi propio jefe. His or her job is a part-time. El trabajo de él o el trabajo de ella es un medio tiempo. Part-time, full-time. Okay. What do you do at work? ¿Qué hace en su trabajo? Entonces, aquí hay una diferencia. La semana pasada we studied what do you do for work. ¿Qué haces for? ¿Qué haces de trabajo? ¿Qué haces? Pero aquí dice, ¿qué haces en el trabajo? Well, every day I serve food. Every day he or she cleans buildings. ¿Quién creen que sirve la comida todos los días? ¿A cashier? ¿Un cajero? ¿O a waitress? ¿O un mesero? ¿O una mesera? A waitress serve food. Una mesera sirve la comida. Every day he or she cleans buildings. Cleans buildings. ¿Quién limpia los edificios? It could be a server or it could be a custodian too. So we have a lot of people that clean buildings. Okay, let's go with the conversation. Let's listen, okay? I'm looking for a new job. I'm looking for. Ahora estoy buscando new job. I'm looking for a new job. Estoy buscando un trabajo nuevo.
Hey, James. I'm looking for a new job. Hey, James. I'm looking for a new job.
Hey, James. James es su nombre, James. Estoy buscando un trabajo nuevo.
Really, Lan? Why? Really, Lan? Why?
Really, Lan, el nombre. Why? ¿En serio? Really, realmente, ¿por qué? ¿Por qué estarás buscando un trabajo nuevo? Vamos a ver qué dice la conversación. Well, my job is only part-time, and I don't really like my job.
Well, my job is only part-time, and I don't really like it.
Bueno, mi trabajo es solo de medio tiempo, part-time, y no me gusta mucho mi trabajo. No, I don't really like my job. No me gusta mucho mi trabajo.
Why not? What do you do at work?
Why not? ¿Por qué no? Why not? ¿Por qué no? What do you do at work? ¿Qué haces en tu trabajo? Vamos a ver por qué no le gusta, ¿no?
It's boring. Every day I clean the same building and see the same people. What about you? Tell me about your job.
It's boring. Es aburrido. Every day, cada día, I clean the same building. I clean the same building. Limpio el mismo edificio. And see the same people. And see the same people. Y veo a las mismas personas. What about you? ¿Y tú? Tell me about your job. Háblame de tu trabajo.
I'm a hairstylist, and I like my job. I like to cut hair and meet new people. I'm a hairstylist, and I like my job. I like to cut hair and meet new people.
Soy una estilista. I'm a hairstylist, una estilista, and I like my job. Y me gusta mi trabajo. Like, me gusta. I like to cut hair. Me gusta. Cut, to cut. Me gusta cortar. Hair. Me gusta cortar el cabello. And meet new people. Y conocer, meet. and meet new people, conocer personas nuevas.
That's great. That's great.
That's great, está muy bien. Ahora tenemos esta pronunciación. Hay dos sonidos parecidos, pero diferentes en inglés. Uno es U y uno es U. U, U. Como en esta palabra.
Moon.
Moon. Moon.
Look.
Mira, aquí suena
Moon.
Y aquí suena
Look.
look. No es look, es look. Entonces hay uno y otro Entonces, moon, look. Vamos a ver cómo es el que sigue, la palabra que sigue. Ok, la primer palabra es luna, moon, look, mirar. To es también, en este caso, miren, to. ¿Cómo se pronuncia? To.
Two.
Ok, es la pronunciación to.
Two. Good.
Good. Good. ¿Es good o es good?
Good.
Good. Aquí está el sonido largo. Vamos a ver en esta otra palabra.
Food.
Food. No es food, es food.
School.
School. School. School.
School. Foot. Foot.
Food. Foot. Ahí es corto.
Foot.
Foot. Cortito. Perdón, no les dije lo que significaba la palabra. Entonces tenemos aquí también to, good es bueno, food es comida, school, escuela, foot, pie, room. A ver, ¿esta es corto o largo?
Room. Room.
Room, room.
Room.
Cuarto.
Soon.
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 ¿Es soon o soon?
Soon.
Soon. Largo, soon, pronto.
Book. Book.
Aquí, ¿cómo es? ¿Largo o corto? ¿Es book or book?
Book. Book.
Es corto, book. Entonces, dos sonidos. Me falta último, este es libro y wood es madera.
Wood. Wood.
Wood. ¿Largo o corto? Wood. Largo. ¿Ok? Dos sonidos que todos escriben con la O, pero su sonido en algunas ocasiones es cortito y en otras largo. Ok. We're almost done with this lesson. Remember to listen always.
Knowing where your food comes from and understanding the importance of life, it all kind of works together.
Learning where your food comes from, okay, is important. Okay, please listen the video and then ask, what does Grant do for work? What does he do for work? Who works with him? Who? ¿Quién works with him? ¿Quién trabaja con él? And name one thing Grant does at work. Y diga una cosa, name one thing, nombre una cosa, que Grant, es la persona, does at work, hace en su trabajo. Okay, my students, keep the hard working, answer the questions, and I will give you, and remember, read Moses 1:39. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.